This video will demonstrate the trig ratios for the three special angles of our special right triangles. Remember, the special angles for the right triangles were going from left to right. The bottom left-hand corner would be 30 degrees. And on the second triangle, 45 degrees. And the last one would be 60 degrees. Our trig ratios are sine, which is the opposite over hypotenuse, cosine, which is the adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent, which is the opposite over the adjacent. Then we have the reciprocal ratios. The reciprocal sine is cosecant, which would be the hypotenuse over the opposite. Then the reciprocal of cosine would be the secant, which is the hypotenuse over the adjacent side. And the reciprocal of tangent would be cotangent, which would be the adjacent over the opposite. Now, on our triangles, we can stretch or shrink these triangles to any size we want to. So even though these won't be drawn to scale, let's say the hypotenuse is always 2 units. And then to find the opposite sides, we can count by square roots going from left to right. So the opposite side would be square root of 1, which is 1, square root of 2, and square root of 3. And then to do the adjacent sides, we'll go from right to left, counting by square roots. So we get square root of 1 is 1, square root of 2, and square root of 3. And then we can find any of our 6 trig ratios using the special right triangles. So if we wanted to find the sine of 30 degrees, we could use the first triangle. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so we have the opposite side over the hypotenuse would be 1/2, or 1/2. Or if we wanted to do the second triangle here, we might use for cosine of 45 degrees. Which would be the adjacent side over hypotenuse, or square root of 2 over 2. And then sometimes we have to rationalize the denominator. So if we wanted to do one of the reciprocal functions like secant of 45 degrees, and we had a denominator that's a radical, we want to rationalize that denominator. So secant is reciprocal of cosine. The cosine of 45 was square root of 2 over 2, so that would be 2 over square root of 2. So we'll multiply by square root of 2 over square root of 2, which would give us 2 square roots of 2 over 2, which is square root